Let's talk about feed-forward control. Feed-forward control systems attempt to detect and minimize disruptions in the inputs before they actually occur. First conceptualized by Black in 1927 to describe how the brain works, it wasn't until the mid-70s that actually it made its way into implementation in electronic systems. It uses mathematical models of a system that predict how the disturbances would affect the intended output. Unlike closed-loop control systems, it does not consider any feedback from the output to make corrections to the input, making it a form of open-loop control. Some of the advantages are disturbance rejection and energy efficiency. Some of the most common applications of feed-forward control systems are industrial processes, where we are anticipating disturbances in environmental conditions, robotics, to counteract changes in loads during operations, and motion control systems by compensating for changes in the motion of machinery. And that's what feed-forward control is.